morning, good morning, good morning. And I'm out on the bike. I am out on the Harley, which is a bit of a sticking point at the moment, which I'll talk about in a sec. But yeah, after a little blip, we got back from holidays. It was a great holiday. I came back, had a lot to catch up with in work. Went out on the bike a few times, but I didn't feel like taking the camera with me, which is not the idea really. You know, I love motovlogging, have done for the last 2 years. But I just didn't feel like I wanted to. I wanted to just get out and ride and enjoy the actual bike, and rather than trying to think of something to talk about. But it's interesting, as I was going through this, Chopper Fett came out with a video recently regarding taking a break from YouTube. Now I've got a pretty good run of 2 years releasing at least one video a week. Now I did release something last week which was purely a sort of filler, which wasn't really a video or a motovlog, but it just sort of kept it going. But I wanted to let people know that I'm still here. Now my channel recently, there's had a bit of an update. That's a shame. I'm coming over now before that plane comes in. That would have been great, having it coming over the top. In fact, I might see if I can just pull over somewhere safe. There's all yellow lines here. I can't really stop here. That's a shame. Anyway, so yeah, my channel. So it's been doing really well, and as I've said to you in the past, my channel is for me. It is a video diary, and anyone and everyone is welcome to come on the journey with me. But I've noticed actually since buying the Harley that my views have dropped, especially on Harley Davidson videos. You know, I'm well aware that there's a lot of guys that subscribe to my channel that like the VTR. I understand why. It's a glorious motorbike. But the thing is with the Harley, and I do love this Harley, and I'm not saying it's my favourite, but the trouble is it does allow both myself and the missus to go out on rides together, which the VTR doesn't, because there's no way would she get on the back of that. But I am well aware that videos that have the VTR in the thumbnail or in the title do get many more views than this, which surprises me actually when you think how popular the Harley Davidson is around the world. So yeah, so not necessarily a little bit of a downer, but I just felt like I was flogging a dead horse because no one wanted to watch the videos anymore. So do I upload them, or do I just do the videos, keep them for myself as a video diary? I'm not worried too much about the editing and the, you know, the sound correction and stuff like that a lot of motovloggers put a lot of effort into to make it watchable and usable. But you don't actually see the amount of work that goes in, and I'm not blowing smoke up anybody's arse when I say that, but you speak to any motovlogger about the amount of time that they spend getting these videos edited, uploaded, sorted and ready to view in the best condition they can, or the best quality they can, and they'll tell you it takes hours and hours and hours. So I just thought I needed a couple of weeks of a break, which I did. Luckily I had a couple of videos lined up, one of which was the countryside one, which I recorded before I went on holiday, and the other was the quad biking in the desert from holiday. So I've been okay for the last couple of weeks, but I just needed a bit of a break. There's Bristol over there, that's where we're heading. Just needed a bit of a break, get my head straight, reboot, see what the channel's all about, see what sort of I've been looking through the analytics and seeing what videos get more views, what videos have a more, or the better ability to hold people's attention. Because although it's about me, if it's only me, then I don't need to put quite so much effort into it. I could just throw a video out, chat shit, thinking it's only going to be me that listens to it, and then upload it. But I don't want to do that, because I know there's a lot of guys out there that have really supported me well, and I think, and I hope, really appreciate the channel and the videos that I put out, in the same way that I watch a lot of other motovloggers, and I really appreciate what they do, because they bring joy to my Otherwise, well, big bum. Fairly busy lifestyle with work and family and everything else. So I'm doing a little bit of work, doing a little bit of head scratching. I should have really been in that outside lane and gone past these cars, but hey, there's no rush. And I'll get straight. This will probably be out next week now, and by that time I'll have had a little bit of time to get my head around things, see what I want to do, see what's best. I've got a little bit of news coming up regarding the VTR, and it's not that I'm selling it. I'm not selling it. I am keeping it. The trouble is I'm one of these people that I feel guilty because it's sat there only being used probably 20 to 30% of the time, because now that it's the summer months, we're enjoying going out together on this bike. So we are currently off to Riders of Bristol. They've got a bit of an open day today. It's a fundraiser. They've got bacon rolls, which is always good, and we're gonna ride up there, have a look round. I might even sort of touch base with Mrs. Weston Motovlog to see what she thinks about a bigger Harley Davidson. And that's probably going to lose me another 10 subscribers, but hey, whatever. So all good. I'm all good. We all have our down days, don't we? It's how we get through them and get out of them and improve from them is what matters. So stay safe, everyone. Have a good one, and I'll catch you on the flip side.